This is the IRM Moto Gemini 1200 installation video. These parts will fit first generation water-cooled BMW R1200 boxer motors from 2013 to 2018. Your kit will come with a right side, a left side, and a hardware kit. In this video, we'll be working on the right side of the bike, and the first thing that we'll be doing is getting a 13mm 12-point socket and cracking loose and taking off the two exhaust nuts. The next thing that we're going to do is go into our hardware kit and grab a coupler nut, one for each exhaust stud. You're going to take a 13mm socket and install them and torque them to 21 Newton meters. Next, we'll take the full right side assembly, make sure that the recession holes are facing towards the motorcycle, and put it over the coupler nuts. Next, go back into your hardware kit and grab the 8mm bolts, put the lock washers on them. You're going to thread them up through the mount into the coupler nuts using a 6mm hex key, torque them to 21 Newton meters. That's it. It's a simple installation. Now all you need to do is repeat those same steps for the left side, and you'll be good to go. If you want to learn how to dial these in for your specific height, please watch our adjustment video.